Let's learn how you can factory reset your LG Smart TV. If you're having problems with your TV, it's frozen, it's slow, or you're maybe planning to sell it so you want to wipe out everything, then follow the steps in this video to see the steps on how to get our TV factory reset to its initial settings. We'll start by opening our main settings page, so click on the little gear icon at the left side of the screen, and this side menu will show up. After that, look for the settings icon once again to access the main settings page. You'll have a couple of options here, but I'm going to go over to this general section, then go down and click on System. This option called Reset to Initial Settings is the option which we are looking for, and this is essentially the factory reset option, which is going to reset every single setting on our LG TV to its factory defaults. You will then have to set up the TV like you did the first time when you unboxed it. You'll have to log in with your LG account, reconnect to Wi-Fi, and set everything up again. But that's about it, everyone. If you found this guide useful, then please consider leaving a like, and I will see you in the next video.